Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our guide on resolving the Thermomix TM31 error 52, which indicates a problem with the jug. This issue can be frustrating, but with the right tools and steps, you can tackle it effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a multimeter for testing the jug's electrical components. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Next, remove the jug from the base. Inspect the jug for any visible damage or cracks. If you notice any, it may need replacing. Now, let's take a look inside the base unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. With the cover removed, check the wiring connected to the jug. Look for any loose connections or frayed wires. If you find any issues, this could be the cause of the error. If you're unsure about handling electrical components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can help improve the performance of your Thermomix. Now let's test the jug. Using your multimeter, check the resistance of the jug's connectors. If the readings are outside the normal range, the jug may be faulty. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. If the jug is in good condition, reassemble the unit by carefully placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. Once reassembled, plug your Thermomix back in and test it. If the error persists, it may be time to consider a replacement jug. Before proceeding with any repairs, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. In summary, fixing the Thermomix TM31 error 52 involves checking the jug for damage, inspecting internal wiring, cleaning the unit, and testing the jug's electrical components. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We're here to help you get your Thermomix back to its best performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.